Have you ever stood at the edge of your dreams, pouring your spirit into the work, prayers, visions, intentions, only to find the world unmoved, silent as stone? Why does reality resist? Perhaps the answer lies not in the stars, but within the depths of your being. Today, I offer you a sacred transmission, 5 cosmic keys to bend reality, not through struggle, but through surrender to the infinite. These are not mere steps, they are doorways to your eternal power. Stay present with me, prepare a journal if you will, and let us journey into the boundless together. First key, get calm to get clear. If you're stressed out, your mind's a mess, like a phone with too many apps running, crashing all the time. Science has this figured out. Dr. Joe Dispenza, a brain guy, says when you're calm, your mind drops into theta, about 4 to 8 beats a second. It's like a quiet zone where your deeper self can actually hear you. When you're all worked up, worried about bills, mad at someone, you're in beta, and that's too fast and loud. It's like trying to talk in a crowded room. No one's listening, especially not your own mind. Here's why this matters. Your reality starts in your head. If you're planting ideas, like, I want a better job, but you're stressed, it's like tossing seeds on concrete. They won't grow. You need calm, soft ground. An old teacher, Lao Tzu, said it plain: stillness is where it starts. I used to be a ball of nerves, running around, trying to fix my life, getting nowhere. Then I started sitting quiet, just breathing, and suddenly I could think straight. Ideas stuck, things shifted. It's not about being lazy or zoning out. Calmness lets you tune into the part of you that runs the show, the deeper mind that decides what's real. Stress blocks it, calm opens it. Later today, try this. Sit still for a couple minutes, breathe slow, feel the chaos melt. Write that down as key 1. When you're calm, your mind's ready, and reality can start moving with you. Second key, stop waiting for proof. We all do this. We think, I'll believe it when I see it. Like, I'll feel good when I get that raise, that house, that win. But Neville Goddard, a deep thinker on this, said, your mind makes it real. It's not about waiting for the world to hand you something. It's about feeling it inside first, before anything shows up out there. Here's the deal. There's an old version of you, a habit of doubt that loves to point out what's not happening. You've been trying for weeks and still no cash, no luck. Quit already. I've been there, hustling for a goal, checking every day, seeing nothing, feeling like a fool. But that's just the outside taking its time. The real power is when you don't need the outside to tell you you're winning. Imagine you've got that raise already. Feel the relief, the pride, right now, even if your bank account's empty. That's where the shift starts. Why does this work? Your mind doesn't know the difference between what's real and what you feel strong enough. Feel it, and it starts building. The old doubt wants you chasing proof so you stay stuck. Flip that, decide you're already there, proof or not. Later, ask yourself, what's that old voice telling me to give up on? Write it down and let it go. Key 2 is owning your mind's power. Don't wait for the world to catch up. Third key, quit judging everything. We're wired to split life up. Good stuff, bad stuff, wins, losses. Jobs great, good. Plans flop, bad. But David Bohm, a science mind, found out everything's tied together. One big flow, no real splits. A poet named Rumi put it simple: no right or wrong, just a space. When you say, this isn't working, you're judging. You're picking a side, like life's a fight you're losing. I used to do that hard. Something went wrong, like a bill I couldn't pay, and I'd think, this sucks, I'm failing. It kept me down. But what if nothing's wrong? What if it's all just happening, part of the same stream? Stop judging, and it's not failure, it's just a moment. That bill, it's not bad, it's a nudge to figure something out. This isn't about pretending everything's perfect, it's about seeing it as one thing, not a battle. The universe doesn't care if you call it good or bad, it keeps rolling. Judging locks you in a box, letting go opens the door. Later, pick something tough going on, maybe a fight with someone. Ask, what if this isn't good or bad, just part of my story? Write that down. Key 3 is stepping out of the judging game. Everything's working for you if you let it. Fourth key, change how you look at it. What you think about stuff isn't just random, it builds your life. Dr. Bruce Lipton, a biology expert, says 90% of what happens comes from your subconscious, what it believes is true. William Blake summed it up: what you see changes everything. How you look at something decides what it becomes. Take this. I used to see tough days, low cash, no progress, as proof I was stuck. I'd think, this is awful, and it stayed awful. Then I tried something, looked at it different. This isn't a dead end, it's a push to grow. Same day, new view, and things started feeling lighter, opening up. It's not magic, it's your mind steering the wheel. If you see a problem as the end, it ends you. See it as a chance, and it turns into one. Your subconscious eats what you feed it. Feed it, I'm failing, and that's your reality. Feed it, I'm figuring it out, and that's what you get. Later, grab something stressing you, like a goal not hitting. Ask, how could this be helping me? Write that new angle down. Key 4 is picking your view. Reality bends to match it. 5th key, act like your best self. Life hits you, money's tight, someone's rude, and the old you jumps in, mad, upset, ready to quit. That's just reacting, letting the outside run you. Eckhart Tolle, a guy big on staying present, says, "You're bigger than you think." There's a higher you inside, cool-headed, strong, the real deal. Reacting's easy. I've done it. Car breaks down, I'd curse the world, feel beat, but that just digs the hole deeper. Acting like your best self is different. It's asking, what would the me I want to be do? Maybe shrug it off, make a plan, keep moving, not freak out. I started trying that. Car broke, I thought, okay, higher me says this is no big deal, and I handled it calm, felt good, and solutions showed up. This works because your actions set the tone. React small, you stay small. Act big, you grow into it. Your higher self isn't fake, it's who you're becoming. Later, when something bugs you, think, how would my best self deal? Note that down. Key 5 is stepping up. Reality follows the you choose to be. There you go, 5 simple keys. Get calm, stop waiting, quit judging, change your view, act your best. They're all about one thing. You're in charge, not the world. I've been stuck before, broke, lost, until I used these. Turned my chaos into this voice you're hearing now. You can do this too. Tell me in the comments, what hit home for you? I'm putting together a guide, reality shift, or inner keys. Which one grabs you? Let me know below. Keep these close. They're your power. Until next time, stay true to your light.